How to accept Square Cash payment. To accept Square Cash payment, open the Square app or log in to your Square account on the website. Ensure your device is connected to the internet and has the Square Point of Sale app installed. Navigate to the Checkout or Point of Sale section within the app. Enter the amount of the sale or the purchase total. Tap on the Charge button to proceed with the transaction. Select the payment method the customer wants to use, such as a Square Cash card or linked bank account. If the customer is using a Square Cash card, they can either scan the QR code displayed on your device or manually enter their card details. If they are using a linked bank account, they can authorize the payment through their Square Cash app. Once the payment is authorized, you'll receive a notification confirming the successful transaction. Provide the customer with a receipt if requested. Ensure the funds are transferred to your linked bank account within the designated time frame. Your Square Cash payment has now been accepted, and the transaction is complete. That's it. Thanks for watching.